Hello and welcome to another update video about FET. One of the AI coins I have shown you as a potential bullish structure here. You remember that we talked about this 5-wave move up into the February highs, then a corrective pullback in a wave 2 in August. So this was great accumulation area. And now we are likely in this third wave to the upside that can take us to $8 plus if things go well. Okay, maybe we should keep the expectations real. Okay, with the subdivisions, it seems we could get there. So again, it can always go higher. Extension is always possible, but let's keep it, level by level, focus on the present. Here we talked about this ascending price channel. The channel hasn't broken, so we are still in this active uptrend within a still unfolding uptrend, and our support levels did hold. We nearly touched the area, but the pullback was extremely shallow as it seems. And due to the structure, I currently assume this wave 4 bottomed. It's not really long enough for a really reliable wave 4, but I think it's just about acceptable. So we had our wave 1, we had our wave 2, we had our wave 3, which was a bit extended. We have our wave 4, which was very shallow but acceptable. And the target for the 5th wave hasn't changed. No, it hasn't changed. It's still sort of the next key level to watch is at around 75.5 cents. That's the 61.8 extension level of the larger degree wave 1. That's just a typical target for the smaller degree wave 1. That doesn't mean, however, it has to stop there. There is another level that is relevant, which is the 78.6 extension, and that's at $1.14. So pay attention to both. There's currently no indication a top is in place. I think I mentioned it in the last video here on the FETCH chart that the pullback might be shallow, even though I would always prefer the price to reach the actual standard Fibonacci retracement levels. And it would have started at 45 cents and it just about missed that. But overall, that just is a confirmation for the bullish scenario we're tracking, because as you might know, in bull markets or bullish markets, pullbacks can be very shallow. The real test for my bullish thesis here for the FET chart is if it has confirmed the 5 waves. It's formed 5 waves. Ideally, we would reach, however, one of those 2 targets I mentioned to you. And then the first deeper pullback. That's going to be the real test. Now, I can always be wrong about the microstructure here. We might still be in the 3rd wave and just do an extension. But that's just the uncertainty we deal with on the altcoin charts. That's why we like to keep it zoomed out as well. Don't be worried so much about the microstructure. Just, we had one accumulation area here. We had one accumulation area here. They never broke. So you rather might want to ignore the short-term noise and rather focus on the bigger picture. Overall bullish thesis still ongoing. I haven't seen any evidence that the wave 2 is unfolding. But the thing is, with the microstructure, as I mentioned, it is unreliable, this microstructure. It's just not very clear. I think that's the main problem. But I always mention that. Okay, so give still my best here to give you a proper assessment of the microstructure. It could be a diagonal that's unfolding here, and actually we're not adhering to a channel, but more like a wedge pattern. But we'll see how it develops now. So overall, no change really to the analysis, no structural change at all. Nothing broke. We're on our way to that wave 1 target after a very, very shallow pullback. Okay, that's my update about FET. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.